In this video, you'll do an intermediate tap dance workout with me. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Be sure to click on the link below if you're here to get in shape, because I've got a great package for you that has a ton of tap content and our special Tap Habit program that will keep you tapping throughout the year so you can stay in shape and have fun. Just follow along. Let's have a good time. We're going to start with some toes. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, warming up those feet. Good to have you here. Heels, same pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. You're doing it. That's it. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Excellent. Faster if you can, if not, stay slow. Good. Step, heel, touch, step, heel, touch. Beautiful. Down to the toe. Step, heel, toe, step, heel, toe. Woo! And down to the dig. Step, heel, dig. That's it. And now to the clump. Step, heel, clump, step, heel, clump. Beautiful. Dig, dig, step, 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 stamp. Dig, dig, step, 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 stamp. Now rotate it to the right, to the back, left, front. One more time. Right, back, left, good. Toe hop step, toe hop step, toe hop step, shuffle ball change. Toe hop step, toe hop step, toe hop step, shuffle ball change. Woo! Shuffles, 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Step, step, step. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Break it. Yeah, we're moving now. Woo! Break it. Shuffle, ball change. Shuffle, ball change. Ball change. Shuffle, ball change. Ball change. Break it. Shuffle, ball change. Ball change. Break it. Again. Break it. One more. Woo! And shuffle, step, heel. Or paradiddle. Or paddle and roll. Take out the heels. Scuffle, step, scuffle, step, scuffle, step, scuffle, step, stamp, stamp. Whoops. That's it. Woo! Double buffalo. 1, 2, 3. Stamp, step, stamp. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, cramp roll. Same pattern as double. Woo! We're working out. Nice. Irish. Kick, kick, step, step. 1, 2, 3. Kick, kick, step, step. 1, 2, 3. Nice. And double roll you. Congratulations. If you had a good time, if you want to keep tap dancing, because it's a great way to get in shape, keeps your mind sharp, and it's actually fun versus like jogging or going to the gym. If you want to do that, click on the link below. Got a great package for you. Includes our Tap Habit program, where you can build a regular tap dance habit that'll last for the rest of your life. Hope you had a great time. Thanks again for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.